Why do we get chills when a robot looks almost human? Why does a CGI character feel unsettling while another one feels perfectly natural? This strange, creepy reaction has a name, the Uncanny Valley. But what if I told you it isn't just about robots or animation? It may actually be wired into our evolution, a survival instinct passed down through millions of years. Humans evolved in groups, surrounded by faces, and survival depended on recognizing who was family, who was friend, and who was a threat. But our brains weren't just looking for familiar faces. They were scanning for the tiny details that made a face truly human. When something almost looks human but doesn't, our brain goes on high alert. Deep in our evolutionary past, mistaking the wrong face could mean the difference between life and death. Some scientists believe this uncanny feeling was nature's way of detecting disease or death. If someone looked human but their skin was off color or their eyes weren't moving right, our ancestors felt repulsion, which may have saved them from catching deadly infections. Another theory points to competition. For hundreds of thousands of years, other human-like species lived beside us. Neanderthals, Denisovans, even Homo naledi. When our ancestors saw a face that looked human but not quite, their brains screamed, "This is not one of us. Be careful." Could the Uncanny Valley be a memory, an evolutionary echo of when humans weren't alone on Earth? Fast forward to today, and while we no longer meet Neanderthals in the wild, our instincts are still here. That's why robots with glassy eyes or AI faces that glitch slightly send shivers down our spines. They trip the same ancient alarm system. Even Hollywood knows this. Ever wonder why animated movies like Toy Story avoid hyper-realistic humans? Pixar deliberately cartoonifies characters because realistic but imperfect faces feel creepy. The Uncanny Valley isn't just about technology, it's a window into our past. Every uneasy feeling you get from a robot, a doll, or an AI-generated face may be your brain whispering, "Something is wrong. Don't trust this." A whisper passed down from ancestors who survived by noticing the smallest details. So the next time you feel creeped out by a face that looks almost human, remember, it's not just you. It's millions of years of evolution speaking through your instincts. The Uncanny Valley isn't just about machines. It's the story of us.